Good morning.
Hey. Good morning, guys. Coffee time.
So good. He makes a good cup of coffee. I'm here with my friend Rob today, and what we're going to talk about is how you go through life with your little slogans and little poetry things to get you through the rough times. You've made up a lot of different things through the last few days together. So tell me, how do you come up with those little rhymes?
Well, I'm Vanilla Ice, so I do a lot of rhyming, and I do that just everything since I was a kid. I was a freestyle rapper, so I actually have to fight it because everything comes out in rhymes constantly, and it's annoying to me. It's entertaining to other people, but it just constantly comes out that way because I've practiced it so many times throughout the years. So I have to purposely try to make my words not rhyme a lot. But it's funny, and it also, a lot of my little rhymes and whatnot have meaning behind them. So they're better than thousands of dollars worth of therapy. You know, yesterday's history, tomorrow's a mystery. We are who we are because of who we were. You know, if you just think into them a little bit, they make a lot of sense, and they can apply to each individual person in a certain way, you know, that fits their personality or their life or whatever it is. But the whole underlining meaning is, you know, basically don't take anything too serious, including yourself. Enjoy life.
Enjoy your coffee?
Yes. Thank you.
And I just want to say one thing. What did you think of when I read your tree?
I didn't know what to think, actually. I was waiting. I was marinating to see where are we going with this. So very cool. And what you do is you're basically kind of figuring out through this tree drawing thing how people's character is and everything like that. Kind of like what I explained to you about how I categorize people as in 4 different ways: thinkers, relators, socializers, and directors.
Guess what I am? Anyone that doesn't know me yet, socializer, here I am, socializing. Go ahead.
Hey, that's the platinum rule, and now you know. But that's
know.
what it's all about, is to just, you know, spread a lot of love, which is my logo here, Cupid. It's all about, you know, the same as the old Cupid, and you just, you know, spread the love. Love is what it's all about, and that'll get you everything you need in life.
So enjoy your coffee today.
There you go.
I'm actually drinking Starbucks. I never drink Starbucks, but he really did make a good cup of coffee. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.